Are you thinking about getting cement siding put on your house? Well, we're here with Jeff from Triple Peaks Roofing, and we're here to talk about cement siding and things you maybe need to think about. What is cement siding?
So cement siding is like a fiberboard, hardboard.
Okay, just versus vinyl.
Versus vinyl.
Okay.
It's made to look like wood. It's a really great product. You could have it and should have it pre-painted before you even put it on order.
Okay.
Have your colors picked, get them pre-painted so when they're going up, there's only light touches that have to be done afterwards.
All right.
But it's also a product that's very hard to install correctly.
Why is that?
There's a lot of micro things that go into it. So when you butt a board together, you have to put a piece of flashing behind it, and then you have to caulk that, and then you have to color match that when it's done.
The strip that goes over the butting up of it.
What I've seen more often than not, people don't put the flashing behind it. They don't put the nails where they're supposed to go. They don't dab the caulk on the nails every time, and then that creates a leak somewhere. And,
wow, really?
It's just a very intricate, very labor-intense product to put on.
You mentioned even going to dabbing the nails with a caulk. I mean,
Yeah.
and that is something you are supposed to do when you put on.
Yes.
Are you saying some maybe don't?
I'm saying
Possibly?
more often than not,
Okay.
I will see a job that's not done correctly.
Oh, geez. And that's no good. Obviously, the first role of siding, besides looking good, is protect the house.
Correct.
Okay.
Like a shingle, you want your nail where it's supposed to be. As a homeowner, you don't see where those nails are, so it's very important to hire the right contractor to put that on.
And do you guys install yourself cement board?
We got away from cement board installs because not enough people do them, and it's not worth having a guy on standby that knows what he's doing when we can't produce enough of it to be out there.
And maybe where do you find a guy like that anyway these days? Who knows what he's doing?
It's a great question, and I would always refer back to look at the manufacturer's websites.
Okay.
There's always one or two guys in the area that's all they do all the time, but you're going to pay a hefty price for that.
Okay, well, that's good to know. So if you want cement, don't call Triple Peaks. They're not going to do it.
No. But give us a call, because a lot of times when people think that they want cement board siding, then the reality smacks us in the face that this is really not something that we can afford at this time for something that's on the outside of my house.
Yeah.
You could spend more money on a good kitchen table that you're going to eat at every single day and enjoy that more.
It's worth knowing anyway, so why not give Jeff and Triple Peaks a call, find out what vinyl would do.
Yeah.
And maybe you want to do it.
Yep.
What's the number?
440-925-0386.